Good afternoon, guys. So it's just another heavy rainy afternoon. Well, recently in KL, Klang Valley, this is the weather we have in almost every afternoon. So I hope you guys are doing well. And COVID cases are quite crazy recently, especially in Klang Valley. So still, we don't have chance to conduct any TT or Genting drive. It has been quite a boring past 1 month. Almost already, we have undergo the CMCO for almost 1 month. So today I'm going to meet up with my 1 series member to get our group merchandise. So that's the best thing happen in one of the best things that can happen in a car group. We are not an official 1 series club, but I think we are the only 1 series club that's quite active. We conduct TT from time to time, and now we even have our own merchandise. So what do we have? We have printed our own club t-shirt and also the road tag sticker. So today I'm supposed to go and meet up with my friend Haziq to distribute the t-shirts. We actually had the t-shirt done before CMCO or during CMCO, yeah. But unfortunately we cannot have gathering, so there's no chance to organize a big gathering for all the members who have ordered the t-shirts. So Haziq told me that he doesn't want to hold on to the t-shirts for too long, so he has decided to, at first he told me he could post to us. Then I told him there's no need to waste postage money, especially for us who live in Klang Valley. We can always come out to meet up for a short while without violating SOP. Oh wow, mini flood here. And I thought we could have a small TT, but the weather is a bit challenging for us to do so. By the way, my forged rims from DRC Performance Wheels, I love them. I've been using the rims for almost 2 weeks. I really feel that my car's acceleration is faster and handling also improved. So this is an upgrade, that a modification that really doesn't involve any hardware modifications, wire cutting or flashing your ECU to improve your car performance. This is something that I did not expect. So by having a lighter wheels, it actually helps your car performance to improve. I think this is a bonus to me. At first I thought changing the rims is just for aesthetic purpose, but it actually helps the car. If you really get a good quality rims, be it flow form or forged rims, it really helps the cars to improve the performance. So here we are at our meetup place. hopefully there's a under the roof parking for us, which quite unlikely, I think. So at least there's parking, although it's not under the roof. Okay, let's go and meet up with Haziq. So here we are, and Haziq is here.
Hello.
And we have an extra parking space now. And it's raining. So, how many are we expecting?
I think a few of them took already, about 3.
Oh, they came already and left.
Yeah.
Oh.
2 people came, they take 3 soon.
So the M135i also came already.
135 not yet.
Oh, like
Hopefully
yeah.
hopefully.
The star of the show. So, what's his name again?
Sushi.
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 Oh, Sushi.
And then the 135, Ati Tan.
Okay, okay. What the weather?
Yeah. Size. Every size I tengok dah kat list, tapi I lupa your size.
I think I take XL lah.
XL lah?
Ah. Oh, last one lah.
Ada. Actually ada lagi, tapi I just bawa for you guys lah. Behind the L lah. XL lah. Ada berapa satu kan? M2. M tu tak ada.
Come, show. So this is our club baju.
Yep.
Our official merchandise.
Yep. Supposed to distribute during a proper gathering, but because of the pandemic, kena pandai-pandai lah.
Jadi one shoot sekali.
Now sekarang cuma tinggal stiker sajalah. Stiker tak tahu bila boleh jumpa dia.
Dia pula dekat Seremban. Aduh.
Okay, so collected our official merchandise, and hopefully we can wear it out really soon for our big TT after the MCO period. And see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.